Let's have a look at how we can install the articulated arm with the LED light system and cold shoe mount sold at gretomatic.com, mainly used for sharpening systems, but we can also install it on a regular tripod, the standard tripod mount screw, and have it standing separate or beside your sharpening system or anything you might want to be working on and you need detailed light to see what you're doing. So we have an adapter for a regular tripod mount. It just threads straight onto the tripod. Put it in position and then simply install that onto our articulated arm. Lock that in place with a thumb screw and position your light any way you like, any height or any position with the tripod you may prefer to use.